Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing some DIY spray paint hacks. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and give it a thumbs up. I'm going to be spray painting this entryway table. As you can see, it's like a charcoal color, and I'm going to be using this spray paint in a gold color. So let's see how it comes out. I'm spray painting it now, and I have these newspapers to cover the floor so it doesn't get stained. So I got this. The original color is like a rose gold, and I'm gonna use this spray paint to change it into this gold metallic color. So let's see how it comes out. See the color is changing, and then I'm gonna leave it to dry. This is the final look, guys. As you can see, is a metallic gold color now, and yes, this is what I wanted it to look like. This is the final look, guys, of my entryway table. I hope you guys liked this video. Leave me a comment, and thank you for watching.